Hi, this is Marcus de Maria here with your crypto update of the day, and brought to you by your crypto club. And I'm really excited. I'm just about to do a lecture at the CAS Business School. It's the second time this year. I'm a visiting lecturer here. The first one that I did was on trading and investing, and the one I'm going to do now is on cryptocurrencies. So talk about cutting edge, to be talking about this stuff and learning about this stuff at that age. I think it's fantastic. I think there's 18 to 21-year-olds in here, and I think it's brilliant. Now, it'd be interesting to know. They probably know more about it than I do, right? Being the people who have so much information at their fingertips. But I'm wondering whether they know this. And here's your insight of the day. Is that as people are panicking, as prices are going down, I wonder whether you know just how much money is sitting and waiting in the wings, which, in my opinion, being pushed down by lots of different reasons. Some people are saying it's, because of the futures. Other people are thinking because it's, because of Facebook and Google and now Twitter and all this kind of stuff. And there's lots of other reasons, like Tether, for example. But I want to let you know that there is so much money waiting in the wings. So, for example, BlackRock Capital Management in the States, they control over $5.6 trillion. I'm not talking about billion, that would have been good, but $1 trillion. As these people allocate just a small fraction of their 5.6 trillion, other people like Wellington Capital Fund over $1 trillion, Goldman Sachs that have invested in something called Circle that bought Poloniex, which was the first or second exchange that I ever used. ETFs, exchange traded funds, there's around 20 that are pushing and waiting in the queue for the SEC to approve them. Once that happens, when these big funds like BlackRock and Wellington put just a small percentage, let's say 5% or even smaller, that is a significant amount of money that is going to be pouring into probably Bitcoin, but a lot of the others. Because if it's an ETF, it's going to be spread. It's going to be Bitcoin and Ethereum and Dash and Monero and Litecoin, whatever the ETF is made up of. And what is going to happen then is it's going to absolutely explode. So make no mistake, these people are not stupid. They know that cryptocurrencies is not correlated to anything else, and that's exactly what they need. They're looking for something that is non-correlated. So for example, when interest rates go down, stock markets go up. That's called a negative intercorrelation or interdependency. I'm looking around because the lecturer is going to come and get me in a moment. If interest rates are going up, which they are at the moment, guess what's going to happen to the stock market? The stock market generally tends to go down. So therefore, these are what are called negative interdependencies or intercorrelations. And cryptocurrencies doesn't have something like that. So that's why they want to allocate. I'm saying 5% or less. Maybe it'll be more in the future, but at the moment. And so that's a massive amount of money waiting to be poured in. Probably as much, if not more, than the entire cryptocurrency is worth at the moment. The entire cryptocurrency is what? It's 450 billion, maybe even less at the moment. That is tiny. That is nothing. I have to make a video of what I think cryptocurrencies could be worth in a few years' time. Some people are saying, $1 million for Bitcoin. I don't think it's going to be that much. Some people are saying 500,000. I don't think it's going to be that much either. But anyway, I'll do another video on that. But anyway, that's your insight of the day. So don't give up your I don't want to say hope, because that's buy and hope is not a great strategy, but don't give up your belief in what you're doing. Know your strategy and stick to your strategy, and once you're in, do not listen to anybody else. And you know what? That includes me. Make your own decisions. So that's your insight of the day, brought to you by your crypto club.